Hi guys, what's up? I am Fausto, founder of Anvibe, and we are vibe coders. I would like to introduce you a brand new plugin called Akanano, which is powered by Google Gemini 2.5 Akanano Banana, which is an advanced neural network for professional grade image generation and editing. What you can do with this plugin, you can create any sort of AI image generation, and we have multiple AI models such as Nano Banana, also Imagine from Google Gemini, which is more photorealistic. And also we have a Flux and a Recraft V3, which allows you to create images directly in SVG. Also, with Nano Banana, you can do smart image blending, so you can blend the multiple images into one. You can apply text effect and typography, also character design and consistency, which is mean if you take a picture of your friend, for example, you want to make him smile, you want to make him jump, we keep the same consistency over and over, and just it will apply the differences, like, it will make it smile, it will make it jump. So it's a striking future. Although we also do campaign creation. You can create a poster for a social media, a campaign for social media. You can image editing as much as you want because it's a reiterative process. Also, you can do batch processing. So, for instance, if you want to create 4 images of a car, one is a Porsche, one is Ferrari, the other one is a Fiat Panda, another one is I don't know, is a Jeep Wrangler or something, you can do it. And also, we have native integration of ChatGPT, so you can refine further your prompts. So let's dive in and get started. As you can see here from the UI, we divided into core, blend, text, batch, campaign, and edit. The core is the basic prompt you can use with any AI image generation, which contemplate the text image generation, but also we have reference image, so image plus text prompt. Also, we have artistic style. I will explain you in a bit. We have frame selection. You can select the frames inside the Figma, and also you can select different aspect ratio. And finally, we have also advanced mode. But let's start with this prompt. I found it from the Google Doc. Create a picture of my cat eating a nano banana in a fancy restaurant under the Gemini constellation. So let's use the square one. Let's generate it. As you can see, we have an amazing picture of a cat eating nano banana. Plus, we have this amazing little funny waiter and the Gemini constellation. So the result is pretty amazing, nice atmosphere. But what you can do with our plugin, you can go further. You can select the reference image, select it from canvas, and also you can apply artistic style. In here, we added many different style you can use, but feel free to experiment with other style that we didn't mention in here. So let's make it a bit vibrant. Probably we could apply something like I don't know, a cyberpunk model. The frame is selected, and let's start it again. As you can see, we have the same image. Keep the consistency of the image, but it looks really cyberpunk, stylish, and it's really cool because with no effort, you can change the look and feel. So imagine you have to send some samples to a client who wants to see different version of the images. So you can use this trick to create multiple consistent characters. But now let's try another one, transform. Make sure you delete the, the new prompt because we used cyberpunk before. And let's add now another style. We could use probably pop art. Let's check again the prompt, make it look like pop art. So let's get rid of this space we don't need. The image is still selected, so it will take as a reference this image, the first image. Let's generate again. It's done. As you can see, the same consistency again. We have also some text, pop text appearing. The image is well balanced. It keeps the same consistency of the others, but it's pop. So is such a future which Nano Banana has compared it to the others like Midjourney. But with this trick, what you can do, you can basically import images generated with other AI engine like Midjourney, Flux, and so on. You can basically use the consistency of the image using Nano Banana.